The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Khadc, has passed the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Establishment Management and Control of Markets Rules 2024 to protect the interests of the farmers. The new rules aim to prevent traders from deducting the weight of agricultural produce brought by the farmers to the Yodo market, a practice that had been a point of contention. Executive member Grace Mary Kharpuri emphasized that the rules would ensure farmers receive fair payment for their produce. The Khadc expects cooperation from vegetable traders to implement the new regulations, which were part of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Regulation Act 2021, which received the governor's assent in July 2023.
It's come baling back in the rules. Kibangi nila de wanra mentakasni bila de introduce bila de consider kan yarap shibon yo nomrep kamtam habai de bat ka kilo de kata ka ka wei ka ba kilo bam sha sho ba kilo de ban ngang scam ba kino khairu ken pediang ye kani mar amde ka bangi ni shu perthing tang ye ki nong khai re hado ya ki nongrep ro ki nongrep hakani ka rules mentan shu patai lingkot khandia kalong ba haba kira ikimar ki jong ki shayuru ki dei benda thau shwa ki jing thau ka babyang bat khamtam ba ki dei ba kinra ikimar ki jong ki hakata ka dur ba kinum yakhle shu bole se ba kinra ikimar ki bachi mo ki dei ben bo ki bachi la ka jong le se ba ikibar khyang la ka jong ki dei ben.
The Christmas season in West Jante has